special feeling in Oldsmobile. There is a special feeling in Oldsmobile. More than the luxury ride, it's a feeling of pride that you feel inside.
Well, here with the Delta 88 again. Gonna be doing some cleaning of the carpets. The actual interior, it's pretty bad in here. Did some work. See if I can get the flashlights going here. So, did some work. Got a security system that was in this out. I had to pull that piece as well out. Did some more research on the doors. Found out that door locks don't work for some reason, so I gotta figure that out. And I got that stupid piece for the radio out. And this is what I'm working with, is a whole bunch of cut wires. If anyone has a schematic for those, I'd greatly appreciate, because I believe I found the socket here. I think this might be it, but it's got a bunch of whole different wiring to it. So there's that. Found a Craftsman screwdriver underneath the seat, which is nice. I've been using that because I don't have an actual screwdriver. I found all the, got the flashlight here. Found all the bolts and all of the materials for this. So that's nice, at least. Let's see here on this side. And if we go to the trunk here, I think I got the keys on me still. I'm cleaning, trying to flatten this out because it was so bent. And yeah, here, I'll open up the trunk here for you. It came with 2 sets of keys, the originals and then I aftermarket set. If I don't drop them. This is it with everything's in the trunk. Some battered up cardboard, spare tire cover. Let me grab the flashlight as well here. Let's see here what we got. See if I can set this someplace. Yep, that'll work. Oh, the headliner. Okay, gotcha. So that's what they did with it. It's garbage now, though, unfortunately. Roll of tape. Some anti-seize, some very old anti-seize. All the trim pieces. So there's one. Sun visor, which is broken. Another 2 trim pieces. I'm not sure if I can separate these. Do that later time. I'll set all the trim on this side. Ooh. One of these is for the back, I believe. I don't know what's wrong with the back. Guess we'll have to figure that out. Very bent piece for the trim for the bottom. Some belts. They don't look bad, but I don't know how long they've been sitting here. Can't really trust them. This might be where our exhaust leak's coming from. More trim. Ice scraper, old one, junk. More trim pieces. I got literally all the trim. Top of the door lock, I suppose. Does this actually match up though? Let's see. So we got this. And this here. Or is this for one of the back seats? No? Say we got this. Yeah, look at that, it matches up. And then we got well, that's strange. So we got a locked one and an unlocked side. Huh. It's weird because the door lock is right here as well. Huh. Very peculiar. I wonder where this came from. Wires are cut. I wonder if this was like a replacement that they're using or something. They just never got to it though. This door is stuck locked for some reason. I've tried and tried and tried. Get this open and it won't open. I don't know why. See, there's nothing really wrong with it, you know. So I don't know. It's so strange about the door lock though. I'll have to look at the panel on one from a junkyard or something, figure out why this is different. Unless it was because this one was bent or something like that, and they were using this one because this one's straight, but they'd have to cut a hole for that. So I don't know what they were thinking on that. Weird, but okay. Let's see here. What else we got? Let's move this out of the way. Throw this into the keep pile. Might as well keep this. We don't know what it goes to just yet, if it even needs to be with the car. Okay, what else? This doesn't look good. Huh. Weird. Interesting. I don't know about that. How dirty this trunk is. My goodness. Not bad underneath. Let's angle the light over here if we can. No? Okay, we're just gonna rest it up against the tire. AC Delco spark plugs. Are they still good? No, those are the old ones. Okay. Cool, they kept the old spark plugs to show a reference of what they were. I found a piece of paper in this that showed, you know, everything that was done on this. Once we go through the trunk, I'll actually show that off. Wiper blade, can't tell if it's old or new. Looks to be in pretty good shape, but I'll throw on my own wiper blades. Here's the Demon. Look at this wiring mess. Jeez, oh Pete's. This was the original security stuff for this car. I threw out the rest of it. Some little other pieces. Some old wiring, or wire. Junk. Dirt. Want some dirt? Just hit my head on the thing there. What's this? Second time I've seen transmission fluid in this. This maybe has a little bit of a transmission leak, but I looked here. See, this is the only stuff that leaked out. Yeah, bit of a transmission leak. Just a small one. Nothing too bad. This stuff is old stuff. Dextron 3. Interesting. Huh. Alright. Well, I guess we'll just keep an eye on that. But you see back here, not too bad. A little bit of rusting right there. This side's pretty good. Overall pretty clean. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean this all out, take the vacuum to it, and we'll clean the interior as well. And I think we'll call it a day. I'll show you underneath the hood here what I did. Yeah, the more and more I use this, the better this hood latch works. Oh. So remember in the first video, which was yesterday, there was that big old siren thing just sort of holding on there. So I took that off, got all the wires from underneath the dash, including the light for the security system. So no longer has any of that BS on it. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for now. I'll come back once the interior is all clean. Got it all clean, even though I still can't get this door unlocked for whatever reason. I'm gonna head to the junkyard and see if I can find some parts for this thing. Can't believe how well this thing came out. Nice. Pretty much have this thing almost road legal. I got a brand new mirror. Look how that thing shines. I got a brand new mirror. I finally got a mirror selected to put in the center up there. I'm going to be working on this door next to get it to work. I took apart one at the junkyard, and now I know how to get this to work again. If anyone knows a quicker way, instead of tearing apart the whole door, get this thing to unlock, that'd be helpful, but it's looking what I'm going to do is tear apart the whole door and then maybe even replace assembly. I got the connectors for a radio. I'm going to match those up. I need to find a new plate. I'm not sure if this is like all one unit or not, but I need to find a new plate because they cut this one really badly. So I'm looking for that. If anyone has one, let me know. And then the last thing I need to get this thing road legal in Michigan is to have a front rear bumper. So if anyone knows of one in a junkyard or if they have one as a parts car and are close to Michigan, please let me know. I'm willing to travel to like Indiana, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, if I really have to go that far out. I'm trying to think if there's any other states. Really, Kentucky, it's sort of pushing it though. I don't really want to make it a day trip. But if anyone's in that sort of 300-mile radius of Detroit, and they know of one either in a junkyard or if they have a parts car, let me know. Pay you guys nicely for it, because I really want to start driving this car. But yeah, that seems to be it. I also need to get some of this filler panel or whatever it's called. Or I wasn't even looking at it. This filler panel right here. But I know that's going to be tough to find. I ain't going to even try to look for it right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Engine, transmission are still good. I found a hood ornament. I'll put that on in another day. So that'll be cool. Still looking for a grill because it's got that piece missing. If anyone has one on the cheap, trying to do this all on a budget. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video of it, of these two doors, of putting this one back together or not. It just depends on how easy it's going to be, because I figure I'm probably going to end up struggling with this, of course. Oh, if anyone knows where to find these right here, they're like those little tabs, like that there. Let me know if they make them still. I really haven't checked yet, but I doubt any aftermarket companies make them. But if anyone has one or knows of where one is, let me know. Looking for that too. So, yeah, just a quick little update. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And we'll hopefully be driving this thing on the road.